Hi! In front of me is Vivo V23 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, select one of your apps like Play Store and click on this button with 3 lines. Now you need to click on the top left corner of your app and select one of those options, in this case split screen. Then select the other app like Chrome, and as you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first tab upwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!